China threat update, Kochi becomes latest Indian docking station for U.S. Navy warships. Cochin Shipyard Limited, CSL, a prominent government-owned shipbuilding and repair company located in Kerala, India, has recently inked a significant agreement with the United States Navy, marking a milestone in Indo-US naval cooperation. The Master Shipyard Repair Agreement, MSRA, effective from April 5, 2024, represents a pivotal moment in Indo-US defense cooperation and underscores CSL's growing stature as a global player in the maritime industry. It signifies a strategic partnership between CSL and the U.S. Navy for the maintenance and repair of naval vessels. This report provides an in-depth analysis of the technical details, historical context, socio-economic, and strategic aspects of the MSRA and its implications for CSL, Kerala, and India as a whole. Details for this video has been gathered from various news reports of April 6, 2024. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 97% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so, after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Watch this interesting video until the end so that you will not miss out on all the details. Historical context and chronology. Founded in 1972, Cochin Shipyard Limited has a rich history of shipbuilding and repair spanning over 5 decades. Initially established as a repair facility for both naval and civilian vessels, CSL quickly garnered a reputation for its expertise in ship construction and maintenance. Over the years, CSL has played a crucial role in supporting India's maritime infrastructure and defense capabilities. The collaboration between CSL and the U.S. Navy marks a significant evolution in Indo-US strategic partnership. The Master Shipyard Repair Agreement, MSRA, of the United States Navy with L&T and Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders was signed last year. These shipyards are renowned for constructing some of the Indian Navy's most advanced and largest warships. The first instance of a U.S. vessel undergoing maintenance and repairs at an Indian shipyard occurred in 2022 when USNS Charles Drew docked at L&T's Kattupalli shipyard in Chennai. Since then, India has emerged as a preferred partner for the U.S. Navy, culminating in the signing of the MSRA with CSL in April 2024. A recent video is available on this channel titled China Threat Makes India a Maritime Maintenance Hub, US-UK Warships Dock in Chennai for Repairs, which deals in great depth regarding the docking of warships at Chennai. For those viewers interested to know more on this topic, please find a link via the icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen or within the playlist available at the end of this video. The two countries have also been holding several joint exercises and engagements. They have also signed defense agreements such as the Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement, LEMOA, Communications Compatibility and Security Agreement, COMCASA, and Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement, BICA, for sharing of logistics support, secure communications, and geospatial intelligence. India has taken a more proactive role in regional security, engaging in multilateral initiatives such as the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue alongside the US, Japan, and Australia. The signing of the MSRA with the United States Navy marks a significant milestone in CSL's journey, reflecting its evolution from a regional player to a globally recognized entity in the maritime industry. This progression builds upon previous collaborations between CSL and foreign navies, including the maintenance and repair of vessels from countries such as the United States and European nations, and underscores the growing trust and confidence between the two nations in matters of defense and security. U.S. presence in the Indo-Pacific region. The U.S. Navy operates a vast fleet of approximately 290 ships and submarines, as well as over 3,700 aircraft, deployed across the globe. It has significant presence in the Indian Ocean, with the U.S. Fifth Fleet headquartered in Bahrain. The fleet is responsible for U.S. naval forces in the Persian Gulf, Red Sea, Arabian Sea, and parts of the Indian Ocean. In addition to the agreements with Indian shipyards, the U.S. has also been exploring the possibility of using private Japanese shipyards for maintenance and repairs. The U.S. Navy's decision to partner with Indian shipyards for maintenance and repair of its vessels is driven by the limited availability of suitable facilities within the Indo-Pacific region. Currently, the shipyards capable of servicing U.S. vessels are in East Asia and Southeast Asia, within range of Chinese forces, posing a potential security risk. Technical details of the agreement. The MSRA between CSL and the United States Navy, facilitated by the Military Sealift Command, is a non-financial agreement aimed at enabling the repair and maintenance of U.S. naval vessels at CSL's facilities in Cochin, India. It is a testament to CSL's technical prowess and infrastructure capabilities and will further enhance its portfolio of services. The agreement follows a rigorous evaluation process and capability assessment conducted by the U.S. Navy, ensuring CSL's qualification for undertaking such responsibilities. This agreement is part of a broader framework of naval cooperation established between India and the United States during the G20 summit, aimed at enhancing interoperability and mutual support in the Indo-Pacific region, thereby reflecting the deepening defense ties between the two nations. Significance and implications. The MSRA holds several implications for both CSL, Kerala and India as a whole, along with the broader Indo-US defense cooperation. For CSL, this agreement opens new avenues for revenue generation, strengthens its position as a preferred partner for global naval forces and enhances its reputation as a leading shipbuilding and repair facility globally. The agreement also underscores India's emergence as a tactical player in the maritime domain, with CSL serving as a key facilitator of Indo-US defense cooperation. Moreover, it strengthens India's position as a strategic partner for the U.S. in the Indo-Pacific region, where the latter seeks to establish maintenance hubs for its naval assets. Furthermore, the agreement has strategic implications for regional security, as it enhances the operational readiness of the U.S. Navy in the Indo-Pacific region. With India's proactive role in regional security, this move aligns with India's broader objective of promoting stability and security in the region, especially in light of shared growing concerns regarding China's assertive behavior and activities in the region. Technical and financial capacities of Cochin Shipyard. CSL's qualification for the MSRA underscores its technical prowess, financial strength and infrastructure capabilities. The company has recently invested in expanding its infrastructural facilities, including the inauguration of a new dry dock and an international ship repair facility in Kochi. These state-of-the-art facilities enable CSL to undertake complex repair and maintenance tasks for a wide range of vessels, including naval ships, commercial vessels, and offshore platforms. Additionally, CSL's progress and growth as a company has been commendable, having witnessed a remarkable surge in financial performance, with a significant increase in net profit and revenue from operations during the quarter ended December 2023. These factors position CSL as a reliable partner for the U.S. Navy's maintenance and repair needs and reinforce its status as a leading player in the global maritime industry. Socioeconomic impacts for Cochin and Kerala. The signing of the MSRA is expected to have significant socio-economic impacts for Cochin and the state of Kerala. The agreement will generate employment opportunities for skilled labor and professionals in the maritime sector, thereby boosting local economies. Additionally, CSL's collaboration with the U.S. Navy will attract investments and technology transfers, further enhancing the region's industrial capabilities. The influx of business and activity related to naval maintenance and repair will also stimulate ancillary industries, such as logistics, hospitality, and transportation. Moreover, the agreement will enhance Kerala's reputation as a hub for maritime activities and contribute to its overall economic growth and development. Conclusion. The Master Shipyard Repair Agreement between Cochin Shipyard Limited and the United States Navy represents a significant milestone in Indo-US defense cooperation and CSL's journey as a global maritime player. This strategic partnership enhances CSL's technical capabilities, financial strength, and India's proactive role in regional security. The agreement not only benefits CSL in terms of revenue generation but also strengthens India's position as a reliable partner for the U.S. Navy's maintenance and repair requirements in the Indo-Pacific region. Furthermore, the agreement is expected to have far-reaching socio-economic impacts for Cochin, Kerala, and India as a whole, contributing to job creation, industrial development, and economic growth. Overall, the MSRA reflects the deepening strategic ties between India and the United States, driven by shared security concerns and mutual interests, and underscores their deep commitment to maritime security, stability, and prosperity in the region. Stay tuned for further developments on these projects. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.